That's how you do Mexican street corn, BBQ smoker style right there. Don't that look good? Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy, pitmaster with the BBQ Smokers. And today, as you can see right here, we got corn. So we're doing the sides. What kind of side we're gonna do? Glad you asked. We're doing Mexican street corn. I'm gonna show you the process we use, all the ingredients we use, how we grill this bad boy up, and it's gonna be delicious. With that being stated, stick around. Let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. So I'm gonna get my corn ready right here. What I'm gonna do is take these corn, and I'm not gonna do nothing more than wrap them in tinfoil. I'm gonna take this tinfoil out. This is heavy duty tinfoil. Pour me enough to take it. I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna roll it. And I'm gonna go a little bit heavy with it because I wanna make sure I maintain all that moisture in there. Squeeze it down from there, squeeze it down there. And that's all I'm gonna do. When I'm doing the corn like this, what I'm doing is I'm actually steaming it. So to show you what we're gonna do with the air, I gotta shut this damper off. So my air's gonna come up right here from the bottom. And I shut the bottom damper off here, so come over and exhaust. That way I can get an indirect heat, indirect cooking. So while our corn is on the grill grilling, we're gonna start making our mayonnaise here, Crema sauce to put on there so we can give that extra flavor. You need to do this, but this is the key ingredient to Mexican street corn. It really adds a whole other level to it. And the mayonnaise and stuff with the sweetness of corn, so go together like it's designed to, which is what it is. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna go equal parts of mayonnaise and equal parts of Crema. We're using Duke's mayonnaise here. There's no other mayonnaise on the planet, in my opinion. I'm actually gonna put it in this. I'm only doing 4 ears, so I don't need a ton. I'm gonna give me a good little scoop here. Well, let's do a little more. About a good scoop and a half. So that comes out to be about a quarter cup. So then we got this Crema right here. Of course, I didn't open it ahead of time. So we got that. So I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna add about the same amount of Crema. I'm gonna take this and I'll mix it up really well. So now I'm gonna get some of my cilantro right here. So I've got about a half a head of cilantro right here. I'm gonna take it right here. I'm gonna get the leaves part of it. Trash can, 3 points. So I'm gonna take this right here number, the cilantro. I'm just gonna start mincing it up. The cilantro's will add the freshness to it. It's gonna kind of add a whole nother level of freshness to it, and it kind of just makes it pop. You don't have to use this, but it does, in my opinion, does help it. Now I'm gonna get me a half of a lime here. Take it, I'm gonna squeeze it out. I'm gonna mix this up really well. Don't do this at home with a knife. Use a spoon out of the kitchen drawer, but we out here. What your daddy always tell you, do as I say, not as I do. Well, mine did. We're gonna take some of this Mexican style grated cheese. It's got good salt to it, so be careful with the salt when you're doing this, but here's a salty cheese to it. It's good, it's delicious, but it does have a little bit of a salt factor to it that you gotta kind of keep in mind. I'm gonna pour me some right here.
We would like to thank today's sponsor, and that's Lewis Home Services. If you're interested in coming to the Myrtle Beach, Grand Strand area, and you're looking for someone to take care of all your vacation needs, check out Lewis Home Services. Contact information down below, and they're looking forward to hearing from you.
So we just took our corn off PK grill. It was about 45 minutes till I got where I was kind of looking for with the feel of the corn. So we're gonna start opening it up. So we get ready to start making our Mexican street corn. So we just took our corn out in tinfoil here. It's really hot. I can feel it through these white gloves. So you need gloves to do this on, but I want to do this when it's really hot. I'm gonna take right here from the opposite end of the stalk. I'm gonna grab it right here and just start pulling it back. When you see it, it's gonna really pull back really easy if you pull it this way. The shuck, the whole 9 yards will come off of it. Might have a little bit of small ones. Now I'm not gonna throw this here off. This is gonna be my handle right here. I'm gonna take it, set it right back down here. Now as you can see, got really good color to it. So the color we got right here, this is called, these are locally grown right here on a family farm here. And we got it as organic. So they have nothing added to them. It's totally just 100% natural. So what I'm gonna do is take my spoon right here, start putting this on there. And I wanna make sure I get it really good into it. So go through all the cracks into it. You can't have too much of this here, man. This here's the goodness right here. So just keep going into it. See how good the handle is? Now I've seen this done with butter, and you can do that. I just like this flavor profile right here, and it's simple. And that's kind of the whole process, something other that gives good depth of flavor to it. It's really simple. But the flavor of the mayonnaise, along with the sweetness of the corn and the saltiness of this Mexican style cheese, man, it's just gonna make it just jump out at you. This is one of them things they always have at the carnivals, the street fairs and stuff, and it's simple. That's why they do it. It's simple, it's a lot of fun, and it just kind of gets the whole curb appeal, you know? This is an awesome thing to get the kids involved in. Do a family function, family get together. Kids will go nuts over this right here, man. I mean, this here is something other that they truly would just love to play with, get messy. That here is awesome process right here, man. I'm gonna take it right now and get some chili powder I got right here. Come across the top of that, my cilantro with my limes. Kind of falling off, ain't it? That's how you do Mexican street corn, Lee barbecue smoker style right there. Don't that look good? You ready to taste this? I know I'm ready. I'm ready to taste this bad boy up, see what it tastes like. This one right here on the end right here. Now, first off, this is messy. Ain't no lying about that. This thing's gonna be messy. But we got a handle, we got a finger hold, we're gonna find out. Oh my. Oh man. Hold just a second. Wait a minute, one more time. I gotta have another bite. Hold a minute. Hold a minute. I'll tell you how good it is. Hold a minute. Phenomenal. This is absolutely delicious. If you never had street corn, simple recipe to try it. If you had street corn, do it this way, it takes it up a notch. It is very simple, and it's awesome to get the kids involved in it, and it's something that you definitely want to do. But really try this recipe, this technique, this recipe. You try this recipe, I promise you will not go wrong, and you'll keep coming back, and this will be the staple of every barbecue you ever do again. And it's that good. I'm not joking when I say that, so try this recipe. Really try this recipe. And I just want to keep eating this thing. I'm not sure Michelle will get this by the time she gets home this afternoon. But I'm gonna have to save her at least one. But it is delicious. Let's get your teeth though. And all jokes aside, try this recipe, seriously. It is that good, and your kids and your family's gonna love it. Heck, I love it, and I'm a grown man. If you've liked this video, subscribe to it. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That being stated, I'm gonna carry this inside. We're gonna find us something to eat. We'll go with this here side, because this is delicious. Also, you gotta let Dolly try it. We're gonna say the blessing. Come on, come on. All right, last one, let's go. Hey, I didn't throw that. Come on. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I reckon you will too. Again, thank you for watching our videos. Let's say the blessing. Let's carry this aside. Let's go eat some supper. Lord, bless food. About to receive you and pray. Amen. Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy, Pitmaster with Elite. Can't get that right. So then we got this Crema right here. Of course, I didn't open it ahead of time. Hey, so it's been we just took our corn off the grill here, off the So you see, got good color to them here. These were cooked right here. I mean,